Get ready for the countdown because your door just met its smartest upgrade. From keyless entry to remote locking, these picks balance security, convenience, and style. Today, I'm going to be going over the best smart door lock that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Veise V012W-B. Design emphasizes compact profile without sacrificing security, giving you a clean exterior with a robust chassis. This model brings a fingerprint sensor that responds quickly, letting you unlock with a touch that feels almost instant for daily use, and it pairs with a reliable auto-lock feature that engages after a short user-set delay. Build quality is reinforced by a metal or metal-impregnated alloy housing, designed to resist weather and daily knocks, while the interior side keeps the control panel accessible and intuitive. Inside, the lock runs on standard batteries that are easy to replace, and the firmware can be updated through a simple app experience that walks you through calibration, user management, and guest codes that you can revoke with a tap. Fingerprint Reader is optimized for a broad set of fingerprints, aiming to work for multiple family members and visitors, while the keypad offers a complementary entry method for guests who don't want a fingerprint. Installation is straightforward for most standard doors, with adjustable backset and latch options that fit common doors found across homes and apartments, and the mounting template helps you align screw positions without guesswork. Power efficiency is a key feature, with modern low-power states that extend battery life beyond basic estimates when the device is left idle, and the alert system notifies you of low power before the lock becomes unresponsive. Aesthetically, the Veise V012W-B balances a modern sheen with a matte finishing that resists smudges and fingerprints, helping the lock stay legible and tidy through daily use. Overall, this model earns its number 5 status by delivering essential smart lock capabilities without overwhelming complexity, providing dependable entry control with practical software that keeps quick access in mind while maintaining solid physical security. Compared to the Veise keyless entry door lock, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Veise V012W-B leans into speed and streamlined biometric access, offering a more responsive unlock experience in day-to-day life. At number 4, we have the Veise keyless entry door lock. This lock is built around a flexible, keypad-based entry system that keeps a tactile feel while enabling digital control via an accompanying app. The sturdy chassis supports both keypad input and emergency mechanical keys, giving you a reliable fallback in case of battery issues, and the auto-lock function provides one of the simplest routines in smart lock usage. Locks behind you after a set interval so you can focus on your routine rather than your door. The keypad benefits from a backlit design that shines in the evening, enabling easy code entry in dim lighting, while the integration with a mobile app lets you manage user codes, timing, and access logs from anywhere. Security considerations include encrypted wireless communications, tamper alerts, and a lock that resists common pick attempts, thanks to a heavy-duty strike and reinforced strike plate. Installation is friendly for most standard doors, with adjustable backset and a transparent mounting framework that helps you align screws without trial and error. And the manufacturer provides compatibility notes for standard inside door trim and mortise configurations. Battery life is solid for typical households, with a replacement interval that depends on daily unlock volume, code changes, and whether you enable receiving push notifications for each access event. Veise keyless entry door lock earns its number 4 slot by offering a traditional, reliable entry method with modern conveniences, a balanced feature set, and a price point that often makes it a sensible upgrade from basic mechanical locks. Compared to the Veise V012W-B, which I have included as number 5 on this list, this model prioritizes predictable entry patterns and straightforward keypad interaction over biometric speed. At number 3, we have the TEEHO Te012W-K. This fingerprint-driven model emphasizes biometric speed with a slightly more premium sensing array, designed to recognize registered fingers quickly and unlock with a confident, tactile click that signals smooth operation. Device is engineered for lightweight doors with a compact form factor, offering a quiet latch action and a precise strike that minimizes door misalignment. A robust anti-tamper mechanism helps deter prying or forced entry attempts, while the backup mechanical key ensures access when electronics or batteries fail, a critical safety feature in many installations. The lock supports app-based management, guest codes, and scheduled access windows, so you can grant entry to contractors, family members, and visitors without sharing codes. Activity is designed to be stable on common home networks and Bluetooth-enabled devices, enabling remote checks on lock state and activity logs. Battery life is matched to daily use, with energy-saving micromodes that keep power consumption low during idle periods, and the manufacturer emphasizes easy installation with a standard backset and a straightforward wiring-free setup for most doors. This TEEHO model earns its number 3 rating by combining strong biometric performance, dependable backup options, and a compact installation footprint, which makes it attractive for apartments, rental units, or homes where space around the door is tight. Compared to the Veise keyless entry door lock, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the TEEHO Te012W-K focuses more on biometric speed and a streamlined interior design at a similar price point. At number 2, we have the TEEHO Te012W-K. This high-security electronic lock centers on a broad access toolkit, featuring a responsive keypad, biometrics compatibility, and a heavy-duty latch mechanism that resists everyday use wear while offering reliable entry for busy households. Keypad is engineered for durability, with a layout designed to minimize code entry errors and a backlight that remains legible in dim light, while the biometric option provides a secondary route to entry for authorized users. The lock is designed for straightforward installation on standard doors, with adjustable backset options and compatible strike plates to ensure a secure fit on most door hardware configurations. Strong emphasis on energy efficiency translates into longer battery life with notifications that keep you from a deadlock scenario. And the app integration lets you monitor events, update user permissions, and receive alerts if tampering is detected. In practice, this model balances high security features with practical daily use, making it a compelling choice for homeowners who want fewer keys and stronger access control. Compared to the TEEHO Te012W-K, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Te012W brings a broader set of security modes and a more robust keypad experience, along with some enhancements in battery notifications that help you stay in control. At number 1, we have the eufy Security C220. This flagship model in the line pairs a trusted fingerprint sensor with a weather-resistant exterior and a glassy, intuitive touchscreen interface that feels responsive and premium in hand. Lock integrates with broader home ecosystems through a reliable app that manages user permissions, access history, and remote control, while built-in anti-theft alarms add a distinct layer of deterrence against tampering or late-night prowlers. Battery life is optimized with smart sleep modes and low-power indicators, ensuring you receive timely reminders before battery change becomes urgent. Installation prioritizes a precise fit on a wide range of doors with a multi-pack mounting template that reduces guesswork and a sturdy strike plate designed to resist forced entry attempts. eufy C220 leads its category with features like quick unlock via biometrics and a cohesive software experience that feels polished, making it an appealing upgrade from traditional locks without overcomplicating your daily routine. Compared to the TEEHO Te012W, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the eufy Security C220 emphasizes a more integrated ecosystem and a faster biometric path to entry, along with a more refined user interface that makes routine access feel almost effortless.